This is Vic. I'm going to give you an update on my mileage with my 2014 Cadillac ELR. First of all, I'm going to recap some of the most recent things that occurred in the past few days. Then I will bring you up to date on the most recent event. And as part of the recap, I will first look at, I hope I can select the right item I want to show you. Yes, I think that's one. Okay, August 5th, 2015, you see my average miles per gallon on this particular trip for 47.5 miles was 105 miles per gallon. And at this point, my overall average since I've owned the car was 80.9 mpg. And I need to try to find another slide. Let's see. Okay, 109 miles per gallon right there. August 6, 2015, 49.3 total miles. I used a total of almost a half of gallon of gas, 0.46 gallons of gas used to go a total of 49.3 miles. And again, my lifetime average is still 80.9 right here. And there's my 109 miles per gallon. Again, I didn't mean to select that one. I'm repeating myself. Let's see. Okay, 127. Now, what has caused me to be able to consistently go over 100 miles a gallon average consistently is my discovery of mountain mode. Mountain mode, as I've said before in other presentations, mountain mode will allow me to turn on the generator, or what is known as the gas engine, to generate electricity to propel the car while simultaneously adding to the charge of the power supply. So I can run the engine for about, my experience has been I can run the engine for about 30 minutes and drive however far I want to drive in about 30 minutes at whatever speed I choose to go at. Doesn't matter if it's 75 or 35 miles per hour, but it propels the car and it adds to the charge of the power supply. So that after about a half an hour of driving while using the generator or the gas engine, I can then turn the generator off and go straight electricity and just drive from the electricity that was generated into the power supply. And that's allowed me to go over 100 miles mpg consistently for the past several days on my round trip, my daily commute to and from work. Okay, now I'm trying to find another slide. And let's see. On this particular slide, my lifetime average on the car, my total lifetime average is 80.9, still 80.9 mpg. And I want to okay, now right here, August 8th, 2015, my lifetime average has been increased to 81.1 miles per gallon. Now you see 250 plus miles per gallon for this little 16-mile trip that I took. I drove around town for 16.6 miles today, and the reason it shows 250 plus miles per gallon is because for that particular, anytime you use no gas, it always shows 250 plus mpg for that particular trip that you use no gasoline on. That is the max that it will show, is 250 plus mpg if you use absolutely zero gasoline, which I did not. And another indicator that I didn't use any gas is the circle on the left-hand side of the screen is totally green, indicating that I used only electricity from the power supply. You see I used 16.6 miles. I used electricity generated from the power supply. I did not use the gasoline engine or the generator to generate any electricity. That's why you see 0.0 miles next to the gas pump emblem. And that is the main point that I wanted to get to for this particular presentation. My average is increasing much, much faster than I ever anticipated. It's now 81.1 miles per gallon. I anticipate that very soon I will be approaching 90. And I'm looking forward to it.